Hi, I am Maria from Crochet Fashion, and in this video you will see how to crochet cute 5-petal flower. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. You can choose your favorite color of yarn and grab your favorite crochet hook. And as a result you will get amazing project. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. For this, make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. It is going to be the first round of the flower. Make a chain. I will not use it. Work into the ring. Make 10 single crochet. 1, and I will remove a long piece of yarn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make slip stitch. My first round is ready. Let's crochet the second round. It is going to be a round of petals. Make a chain. I will not use it. Insert the hook into the single crochet that I worked before. Make single crochet. Make chain of 4 for the petal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make 3 double treble crochet stitches into the next stitch. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I hold all loops with my finger. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Make the second one. Yarn over the hook 3 times and work into the same stitch. Make double treble crochet stitch. Well done. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the same stitch that I worked before. Make single crochet into this stitch. Well done. My cute petal is ready. In total it should be 5 of them. I need to do 4 more. Let's crochet the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Make treble crochet into the stitch that I worked before. This is the previous stitch. Make double treble crochet stitch. Make 3 double treble crochet stitch into the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Continue, yarn over the hook 3 times and work with the next stitch. Make double treble crochet stitch. Make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and single crochet into the stitch that I worked before. My second petal is ready. Let's crochet the third one. Then you should continue working with your own. Make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the previous stitch that I worked before and make double treble crochet stitch. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete it. I'm about to complete this round. I just need to finish my petal. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the stitch that I worked before. Make double treble crochet stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the single crochet. I skip the chain stitch and insert the hook into this single crochet. Make slip stitch to secure the yarn by making a chain. And my cute flower is ready. You should remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the flower using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. Let's stop and look what I have done. Here what I have at this point. In this video you have seen how to work with cute and simple 5-petal flower. In this case I used cotton yarn, and for the next examples I used wool yarn. Here this is the difference between two flowers. You can choose your favorite color of yarn and grab your crochet hook and you will get amazing and simple project. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Don't miss my new video tutorials on this YouTube channel. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. It was Maria from Crochet Fashion. Bye!